Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you a walkthrough on the ESPN Fantasy app on how to use it. So now here we are, and as you can see right here in our app store, we have the ESPN Fantasy right here. So you can just install and download, and then you can now open this app. And by the way, if you're in Android, then you would need to download it and install it in a Play Store. And once you're done, you can gonna hit open, and then from here you can now use the ESPN Fantasy app. And from here, you can go for your games. You have baseball, football, and so on. But as you can see, some games are currently undergoing routine maintenance and it's not yet available. For example, in baseball, as you can see, it's currently on maintenance right here. And for the football, it is already closed. So yeah, you might want to check that out first before deciding on which one you would like to join a league on. But in this tutorial, we will be using this right here, the men's basketball. So we will be using this as an example. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can join a league, how you can create a new league, how you can leave a league, and how you can manage your team in your league. So now from here, what you want to do first is we're going to go and join a league. So we're going to tap here, join a league. And then from here, you can see the experience level, the scoring type, the draft type, and so on. So you can just choose your preferred option right here. You want to go pro, beginner, or this one, the head-to-head, each category or season points, and so on. So you can just tweak the settings right here depending on what you want. And then from here, you can go for top times, player today, and so on. But in my case, I'll just go and leave it by default. And then from here, you can join a league right here. So you can just join a league. And after that, as you can see, it says, congrats, you have successfully joined a public league. So when you join a league like that, it would be a public league. A public league. But if you want to join in your friends' league, so you want to play with your friends, so then you can just go and you cannot directly join here in the app, but you can use the invite link from your friend, and you can just access that link so that you can be able to join the league of the friend that he or she just created. And yeah, you can do that, but we will be doing that later on. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the league. So this is basically how you can leave a league right here. And as you can see, your draft room will open in this amount of time, so you won't be able to leave a league if this time runs out right here. So make sure that you leave the league before that runs out. And now you want to tap on leave league, and as you can see, I have now successfully left the league right there. And now I'm gonna close this. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be creating a league right here. So we're gonna tap on that right here, tap on create a new league, and we can put the league name right here. So let's say sample league right here, and we're gonna go for league size. We'll go for 14, and the scoring type for this one, I want it to be season points. And then from here, we're gonna create a league. Click or tap on create league right there. And then this is what I mean by the invite link that your friend would send you if you want to join the a league that your friend created. So you want to copy the invite link right here, and then you want to share this to your friends, or your friends will share this to you if you want to join their league that they have created right here. And you have more sharing options. You can text invite, email invite, and so on right there. So yeah, that is basically how you can create a league right here, or how you can invite your friends or specific people that you want them in your league. So yeah, that is basically it. And then the next thing that we are gonna be doing is we're gonna be managing our team. So to do that, all we have to do is go select our team right here and tap on my team right here. And from here, we can manage it. We can see the roster that we have right here, but as you can see, I don't have one because this is just a practice account for this tutorial. And then we have our results right here. You can see the results. As you can see, that we have the positions of the basketball team here. We have the point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, center, and so on right here. So you can see it right there, and you can see your players right here. So we have the players right here. We have Jokic, we have Tatum, we have Zonkic, we have Embiid, and so on right here. When you tap on the player right here, let's say we want to go for Jokic right here, as you can see, we have it right here. So you can see the infos of UKage right here, and you can tap on interested in right here. And as you can see, that would flag this right here, this player right here, and it would mean that you're interested, and it would be filtered right after that. And then you can also go for filters right here. You can search for players if you'd want. You can even still go for LeBron, and you're gonna go and type, and you go here, LeBron James, and you can see the details about LeBron James right here. You can do that right there, and you can go for league right here. And as you can see, we have the standings, we have the message board, we have a recent activity, wave order, league info, and league manager tools right here. So this league manager tools would only appear if you are the owner of the league right here. So you tap on it, then you can edit your league uh, settings. So you can go for basic settings, and you can go and change the league types. So you can go for head-to-head points right here, and you can change the number of teams right here. Maybe you can go for 19, and yeah, you can do that. And also from here, you can delete a team right here by tapping here, delete teams, and then you have your teams right here in your league, so you can just kick them out or remove them from the league right here. So yeah, you can also make the league viewable to public by tapping this button, tackling this right here. And finally, you can also delete the league if you are no longer interested in seeing this, and you can just tap on delete league, and yes, delete league forever. So yeah, that is basically how you do it right there. And that's it for this beginner tutorial. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.